The person that had the biggest impact on me is my mother. So she was a migrant worker when she was a child, along with her siblings. She worked until she was a teenager, and then she got married. And she didn't end up finishing high school. My mom knew that education was important, so she always wanted to make sure that wherever we lived, there was a really good public school program. That led to us having very good, excellent teachers in the public school program that expected us to go to college and have good careers. I feel like I'm the product of what my mom wanted me to be, something that she didn't have access to.
Dr. Jessica Rodriguez's passion for education has shaped her career in parasitology at Zoetis, where she is committed to advancing knowledge and supporting others through science-based solutions.
Everybody is affected by parasites in one way or another, even if they don't have pets. There's a lot of people doing research and working to make our lives better by controlling parasites.
Rodriguez discovered her passion for parasitology at Texas A&M, where the support of her professors not only inspired her to pursue 3 degrees at the university, but also played a key role in her future success as a parasitologist.
There's a reason why I kept coming back. I just had a great time there, and I felt very supported. 2 of the professors that really had a big impact on me were Dr. Jackie Hoovers and Dr. Karen Snowden. So they were the ones who taught me in my undergraduate parasitology course, and also ended up hiring me as the teaching assistant to set up the laboratory and also help teach the undergraduates in that same course the following year.
Rodriguez began her career in parasitology as a field veterinary specialist at Zoetis, helping veterinarians understand the impact parasites can have worldwide. The position also introduced her to a like-minded community of scientists.
We all just love parasites, and I don't know what it is about us that makes us interested in them so much, but I think what we also like to do is get other people to be interested in them, and that was part of what I did in my first role at Zoetis.
Today, Rodriguez is a senior principal scientist at Zoetis, which allows her to work on research projects for developing new treatments.
I have several different roles in the company. My main role is as a subject matter expert in parasitology, so I sit on several different projects and provide my expertise in parasitology to help in study design and planning of studies.
Among the rewarding aspects of her role at Zoetis is directly supporting the human-animal bond through the research they do and the products they develop, something she personally witnessed growing up.
When I was a child, we had a lot of pets. And I think that was also a reason why I became a veterinarian. My mother always brought animals home. We'd come back from school and there's a turtle, things like that. So we had dogs that lived inside as well. And back then, there wasn't really any good flea control available. So I remember that. I remember living with fleas, and it was just a normal thing, and we would do things to try to combat that. I remember when I saw a commercial for one of the first products that actually worked, a topical product, and I took my mom to go to the store to buy it and put it on my dog, and I was just amazed that these fleas were dying and staying dead. So just thinking about how these parasiticides help the human-animal bond. It's a continuous battle against parasites because they do develop resistance. We want to ensure that we're ahead of that so that people can continue to have that good experience of giving their dogs these parasiticides that are safe and effective.
Rodriguez lives in Kalamazoo, Michigan, where she enjoys spending quality time with her family, including her nephew and 2 nieces. She also enjoys spending time outdoors and especially relishes time spent fishing in South Texas in the lower Laguna Madre with her dogs and her partner, Leroy.
My family has always been there for me and has seen me progress through my career from undergraduate through vet school and graduate school. They always thought I would be practicing on their animals, but no, I took a different career path. And I'd also like to thank my partner, Leroy. He was a big part of supporting me when I started my career at Zoetis, especially being gone so much. He was always there to help take care of the pets when I was gone, and then also has supported me making this role as a scientist in Zoetis.